At some point during the week of March 16th, ODOT will be making some changes to the traffic and light pattern at the intersection of US 27 and University Park Boulevard. We wanted to take a few moments to go over some of those changes with you so you're aware of what to expect. This represents the traffic pattern as it currently exists, where we have a through lane on each direction and then a turn lane if you're coming southbound from town to turn onto Miami Western, or if you're coming northbound towards town and campus to turn left onto University Park Boulevard. The changes that will occur are as follows. It will go down to a two-lane road. Essentially, we will be losing the left turn lane. What you'll see here is this lane going northbound is for turning and for going straight, and then we have a southbound lane here. These orange markers indicate concrete barricades that ODOT will be putting up. This darker gray area indicates the area of the road that is no longer in use. Also, as you'll notice here, the stop bar as you're coming out of the high school and to turn onto 27, the stop bar is going to be moving back. That is to facilitate the turning radius needed by the trucks and buses to get in here, because what happens is this entire area is being shifted to the left, so everything will be a little closer now. So one of the things we need to be aware of is how this traffic pattern is going to work. One of the things that we need to really watch for as far as safety is the new light pattern that will happen. When you're coming north on 27, if you have a green arrow, green left turn arrow here, the opposing traffic coming southbound on 27 will have a red light, which means that you have the green light to turn into University Park Boulevard. Keep in mind that, like I said, this is one lane, so if you're stopping to turn left, cars behind you will have to stop behind you. There's no room to go around because of the barricades. The other thing to keep in mind is once that green arrow goes away and you just have the green ball light here, opposing traffic will also then have the green ball light. So while you can still turn left here, if you're coming northbound, you need to be very certain that there's no traffic coming towards you this way. So we want to make sure everybody's very careful. The other thing is to keep in mind is that there are going to be workers on this side of the barricade. So please make sure that you're aware of their presence and just really take your time through this area and pay attention each day. I know it's going to be quite a headache sometimes, but we'll do our best to get through it. As far as timeline, like I said, it will begin sometime during the week of March 16th. They haven't given me a specific day yet. They said they'll try to let us know the day before it happens. This new traffic pattern will remain in place through the completion of the project, which at this point is spring of 2016. So we are looking at a year of this traffic pattern. So we appreciate everybody's patience, and just please remember that we need to keep the safety of the students and the workers foremost, and let's make sure that we're careful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact someone here at the high school. Thank you very much.